New Year resolution, New Year resolution, New Year resolution. That's all we've been hearing towards the end of last year. And now we are in 2023. New Year resolution has become a tradition. But the important thing is, how do you personalize your New Year resolution? Remember, it is possible for some people to come up with 1,000, whatever currency you use in your country, per day. And it might take somebody else to come up with 1,000 in 10 days. And some people, it might take them 10 weeks or 10 months or even 10 years. So, living your life is about living for yourself, not against yourself. New Year resolution is a promise to yourself to change yourself, to change some part of your life, some attitude, some behavior, whatever it is that is personalized to you, just to adjust it to make the new year a better year for yourself. And talking about something being better, it's a unique way of living. Some people might need to wake up early. Some people might need to spend more extra hour in bed. We are all different. You can easily say, oh, you should get up at 8 a.m. in the morning. But some people are just getting back in from work at 8 a.m. in the morning. So they go to bed. One of the important things I want to share with people for this year is, and I usually say this all the time, anytime you find yourself on someone's page, like the way you're watching me right now, if somebody is sharing information with you, remember those information are general information. They are not tailored information. So whatever people are saying, you just take the one that is relevant to you, that will benefit you. If it's not going to benefit you, there's no point in, using a lot of energy to kind of be, exchanging words with people over the internet or consuming every content that you see. Not every word is meant for you, and not every video is meant for you. Just take on the one that you think, oh, I think my life will be better. I think this task I'm working on, this point will help me to achieve that quicker. Take it on board and just drop the rest right there. Remember, I said New Year resolution should be personalized. So this video is more about how to build a purpose New Year resolution. A purpose one that is personal to you. Here are my 5 tips. Number 1, make your bed. Every morning or every night, whenever you get up from your bed, make your bed. Try this for 2 weeks. That's this joy that it gives you looking at your bed, and it's clean and it's neat and it's clear from a lot of things. And making your bed helps your mental health. That sounds like, what does mental health got to do with it? Put this at a test for 2 weeks. When you get up, make your bed to your satisfaction. And one of the physical aspects of a made bed in a room is it makes the room a bit clean, like maybe not extremely clean, but a bit, organized in a way. That's the word. It makes you look organized. And you can easily tell if your sheets are dirty when you make your bed every time you get up. And also, it is part of self-discipline because it becomes like a routine for you. It becomes a routine. It's part of your life. And just in case you go to your auntie, your uncle, or your friends, you happen to share a room, or you go and visit other people, you get up, you make your bed. Oh my God, the joy it gives people when they walk into your room and you have a made bed. Give it a try. Number 2, spend time with yourself. Spend time with yourself. There is no way you will understand who you are as a person if you don't know how to spend time with yourself. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying don't spend time with your friends or your family, but you should be your number one priority out of everybody in your life. You should be able to spend more time within yourself, and you'll be able to kind of meditate, think about a lot of things that you want to, to do in the future. And also, it gives you the opportunity to talk to yourself. Sometimes if you have something to say, it might, or you're looking towards something in the future, sometimes all the words come in clips. Some people they write it down. Some people, they record it. Then you spending time with yourself will it will align everything for you. And spending time with yourself will make you to understand who you are as a person. You'll be able to think about things. You'll be able to know the kind of person that you are. And with this, it will help you to have a better relationship with other people. But if you don't understand yourself, you will not be able to tailor yourself. You'll not be able to discipline yourself. You'll not be able to self-evaluate yourself. And this loss of identity can, destroy beautiful relationship with other people, because you don't know who you are. So you just behave the way you know how. So you see people who are controlled by situations rather than they controlling their emotions to make sure that in any atmosphere they find themselves, they will always be at peace because they are self-aware. Number 3, be consistent. And can I just say, focus on one thing at a time. It is easy for us to multitask, but consistency most times don't come in a total package. Like a lot of us, we have more than 1 or 2 tasks that we do every day, even that you find some people, the entrepreneur, here I am making YouTube videos, I have kids, I have a marriage, I have, my roles in church, I have a lot of things I do. So with my previous point, spending time with yourself, you will be able to know what kind of tasks that you have in the day should come first before the other. Doesn't necessarily mean that the rest of the tasks are not important, but consistency is usually, it yields good results when you focus on one thing at a time. And then with that energy, with that vibe that you get from being consistent doing a particular thing, you'll be able to transfer it to the other areas of your life. Number 4, take charge of your finances. Take charge of your finances. It is really hard to have a purpose life when there's money issue. Sometimes some of us, we spend more than we earn. What's going to happen to the extra money? We have to be in debt. We have to borrow. Take charge of your finances. If you don't have money coming in and you want to spend money, you have to look for a way to make money. When you make money, how much do you make? Depend on how much you will spend. Don't be on a wage of 1,000 per week and put your lifestyle at 2,000 per week. Who is going to be the sponsor of the remaining 1,000? So if you're living a life that you're not, what is the word I'm looking for? You're not contented with your life at the moment, you will find out that you will struggle with basic things. Just basic things. You will struggle with them because you're not contented. No matter what you have, no matter what people give to you, you're not satisfied with them because your finances are not in order. So you will have this, this feeling of self-entitlement to other people's things. Take charge of your finances. Your personal budget is very important and it's just basic. Number 5, manage your time well. Time is money. Time is life. If you don't know how to manage your time, you'll be frustrated. That's it. And people around you will be frustrated. People will just be getting angry with you for no reason. Because if you're meeting up with people for 2 o'clock, Everybody is there. They're waiting for you. 2:30, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, you're not there. They get frustrated. And one of the things with frustration is it makes you to lose interest in whatever plan that all of you have put together. Let's say you want to go have a dinner. And then you're so hungry that, oh, we meet at 2. And you don't want to start eating because you're waiting for the rest of the team. There's a possibility that the hunger will even disappear. And most people, well, myself and as an example, when I'm angry, I'm not hungry. I can't be, you can't feel your hunger when you are angry. So take charge of your time. Time management is very important. I remember my sister will always say, Sheo, you know this thing will take you 2 hours to get it done. You will sit down there as if you don't have anything to do. Then when it is about 45 minutes, you are trying to slot 2 hours inside 45 minutes. No be juju be that. It's not gonna work. And some of the things that I talk about here, I struggle with them. I still struggle with my timing. But I'm getting better because I've been able to acknowledge the fact that my time management is poor. Was poor. Now it's getting better. If you need 2 hours to get something done, let's say you have toddlers and you have to get up at 7 a.m. in the morning. You know the way it is with toddlers. Then you know that you should prepare yourself. You get up at 7 to be somewhere for 9. If you have to be somewhere at 8, you get up at, 6 or something like that. Just adjust yourself to make sure your time management is in place. And there's a way to go about it. Your to-do list will help you. That will be the basic way for you to start. Do your to-do list every day. This morning, I have to wake up at, you have the proposed one that you work towards, perfection with that. I want to get up at 6. Okay, when I get up at 6:30, I have to do basic exercise. 7 o'clock, I have to do this. Even if you pray in the morning, put it there, put it in your to-do list. Okay, at 7 o'clock, I have to, get the kids up if you have children. At 8 o'clock, we have to leave the house so we can get to their school for 8:40, whatever distance you have. Then I have to go to my work. If you go to work, if you work from home, I have to do a video from 9 to 10. I have to do this. I have to cook dinner. You put them in your to-do list, and you looking at them every day, striving as if your life depends on it, because it does. We help you to be able to manage your time well. So it all of a sudden will become a routine for you. Before like I do the alarm as well, you put on your calendar. It's better for you to have one calendar. So you put it together and then, work around that. I think I'm spending too much time on time management because a lot of us, we struggle with that. But hopefully I'll be able to make another video and talk more just on time management. So these are just 5 tips for you to start a purpose New Year revolution, the basic one. And don't be in a competition with yourself or with somebody else, because we are on different paths. Like I was saying now jokingly, like a car is a machine that when you call it in the morning, it answers. Like if you do, if you do, boom, and that is the car answering. So if you need a car to be able to move around, you buy a car. Then if you are now looking for something that is extremely expensive, that is out of your budget, then you're looking for trouble. So if that's a car is a car. Then you start talking about, we have the BMW, we have the Mercedes Benz, we have this, da 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 da. But to me, a car is a car that you call in the morning and it answers. You understand what I'm saying? When you are at a phase in your life, be satisfied, be contented with that phase of your life. Because on social media, you will see a lot of people, you are more than times 2 of their age, they are eating it big and they are not faking it. And you will see some people, they look like they're eating it big, but they might be faking it. That is just life. Focus on your journey. Be at peace with yourself. Be contented with your present situation. If not, the way people are shouting New Year resolution here and there, by June, you just see that nothing changed. You didn't change anything about your life. You didn't get value from anywhere. People you are supposed to talk to, you are not talking to them. The people you are supposed to limit the hours that you chat with them are the people you increase the hours chatting with. You just be wasting time, wasting value, wasting energy all over the place. Try this basic 5 point that I shared with you, and I bet with you you'll be the best version of yourself in a few weeks. Until I come to your screen again, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, warriors.